This is the Hi People Include Everyone program, a groundbreaking initiative bridging the digital and financial inclusion gap in the COMESA region. Workers in Malawi, especially low-income and short-term contract workers, face limited access to affordable formal credit, forcing many to rely on high-cost informal lenders.
Significant barriers to affordable credit in Malawi, where lending processes are hindered by high cost and inefficiencies, impacting borrowers and employers.
Team Credit Line therefore participated in the inaugural COMESA Women in Fintech Hackathon with the aim of addressing challenges in accessing formal credit for cross-border women traders.
Credit Line is a new financial technology company that is there to connect lenders and borrowers in a quick and efficient manner. We are there to promote the low-income earners and unbanked to help them access credit facilities instantly. We partner with your employer, and we also have a partnered lender on our platform where a user will be able to have the application and the USSD to do the application online right from their homes.
According to the team, they used the 3-day hackathon to conceptualize a mobile application that would provide instant digital loans.
The user starts with the login details, browse the loan offers on the platform, calculate affordability, apply for loan, and then it goes into an instant check where the eligibility is checked, approved, disbursed, and then repayment via salary up to the end of the loan.
Borrower is convinced with the charges and everything. Will confirm the application by either, first of all, going through the terms and conditions, just a few, and there are various modes of payment, be it an Airtel Money or National Bank. These are just my details for a test. So she say I want the loan to be credited in my National Bank account. So I'll click on here. Upon clicking on the Get Credit, there's a notification that is displayed. Your loan has been success. Yeah, your loan application is successful. And later, it is designed to give an SMS after that your loan has been received. So it means my application goes into the inbox of that lender, where it will display to say, the borrower is applying for this loan.
They were especially pleased with the facilitators and mentors who guided them through the proper processes of product ideation and development.
We have really benefited a lot during this hackathon, and we have learned that the way we saw fintech in Malawi, it was a small market. Now that COMESA has connected various countries across the Africa, it has really shown us that we are big on the market, and once we dominate on the ground, we will be big than the way we anticipated.
At the hackathon, all 16 participating teams were introduced to Mojaloop and the Level 1 project principles, which they described as a game changer.
We've been introduced to the Level 1 project principles, which guide us in terms of how we can actually implement fintech solutions that are adhering to the best practices.
We want clearing to happen in under 1 second. So if I'm going to send money to you, it must arrive on the other side in 1 second. You know, there's examples like if you get into a minibus or something like that, you just want the transaction to happen then and there. You don't want to have to be waiting. Oh no, it hasn't gone through. We want all FSPs, like all financial service providers, to be enabled. So we want banks, we want mobile money operators, we want microfinance institutions all to be on the platform.
The integration of Mojaloop is going to really be a game changer because it's going to allow us to disperse, for example, funds to different subscribers without worrying about the integration costs that would have been involved if we had not introduced with Mojaloop. So it's been really been an eye-opening experience for us to see what opportunities are out there in terms of how we could build the infrastructure that can actually work well with other systems and reduce the cost for us.
They expressed their gratitude to the organizing team.
The logistics have been good. The hotel is nice. The hospitality is nice. A very big appreciation to CBC, Hi People, and Gates Foundation for creating this platform for us, and also for giving us this opportunity to see how big Africa is and how Zambia is as far as business is concerned.
Hi people, zikomo kwambiri.
With generous support from the Gates Foundation and in partnership with COMESA Business Council, Hi People is empowering communities to ensure inclusion and shared benefits for everyone.